Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest rides, future tech, and all things automotive. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now, let's dive into what's new and exciting about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe. A sleek blend of performance, tech, and unmistakable luxury. The 2026 GLC Coupe is here, and Mercedes has doubled down on what makes this compact luxury SUV stand out: style, smooth power, and next-gen innovation. If you thought the previous models were good, wait until you see what Mercedes has packed into this one. Starting with the exterior, the new GLC Coupe continues the trend of sporty elegance. It features a more aggressive front grille, sharper LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic profile. The roofline has been refined even further, giving it that coupe-like silhouette while still offering SUV practicality. Optional 21-inch alloy wheels and AMG styling packages make sure this vehicle turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Mercedes is offering a range of powertrains, starting with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This gives the GLC Coupe smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. But if you're after more punch, look out for the AMG variants expected to push well over 400 horsepower. Interior. Inside the cabin, it's everything you'd expect from a premium German automaker. The 2026 GLC Coupe boasts a high-tech, high-comfort interior. There's a massive 11.9-inch vertically mounted touchscreen running the latest MBUX infotainment system, paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Voice control, gesture support, and even eye-based learning functions are all in the mix. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin, open-pore wood or carbon fiber trim, and ultra-comfortable seats wrapped in premium leather remind you this isn't just about performance, it's about luxury at every turn. And yes, there's plenty of cargo space, especially considering its sloped rear. Tech-wise, Mercedes has loaded this model with all the latest driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even semi-autonomous highway driving. Safety and convenience go hand in hand here. In terms of driving dynamics, the GLC Coupe benefits from a lower center of gravity than the standard GLC SUV, giving it a slightly sportier feel through corners. It's comfortable, refined, and whisper quiet inside, even at highway speeds. So, who is the 2026 GLC Coupe for? It's perfect for someone who wants the practicality of an SUV, the flair of a coupe, and the luxury only Mercedes can deliver. It may not be the biggest in its class, but it makes up for that with premium features and unmistakable road presence. And that's a wrap on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe. Stylish, smart, and ready to impress. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.